Hello, welcome to another episode here at Big Man and Woods. My name is Mark, Scout Leader, helping you deliver more practical skills and skills for life. Now, as lockdown continues, we're still at home. We're missing camping quite a bit. We've done some back garden camping, but it's not as the same. So I've enlisted two helpers. Tom's here and producer Grace is here.
Hi!
Say hello.
Hi!
And today we're going to be making what?
An edible campfire.
Edible campfires. Now Grace is going to show us what we're going to need.
The first thing we need, the stuff that we need, is we need some colourful marshmallows, chocolate spread, Haribos, chocolate sticks, some chocolate fingers and chocolate biscuits. First thing we need to do is we need to get our chocolate biscuit and lay it on a chopping board. Then we need to get our chocolate icing. So now what we need to do with the chocolate icing is we're going to open it up and get 2 teaspoons, get some of the chocolate, put it on our chocolate biscuit and spread it round, just like this, and spread it round. That looks yum. Chocolatey fingers. Next, we need to get our chocolate fingers. And we have to break in half. So we're going to get about 2 each. You know, Thomas? And we're going to snap them in half. Just like so. And then we're going to, just like Thomas is doing, make it into a little oval bit. Like this. Try and make it in.
Right, so let's get the Gummy Bears out.
So we need 2 yellow ones and 2 red ones.
There's no exact way of doing this, to be honest, guys. It's just to make it look like flames.
And cut them in teeny pieces. You just dropped it, Dad.
Awesome. So these are going to look like the flames of the fire.
Just like a real one, but it's
Don't eat it.
So now what we need to do is we need to get our gummy bears and sprinkle them on our bit of chocolate biscuit. Just sprinkle them on so it looks like fire, like the real flames. This is really sticky. So now what we need to do is we need to get our marshmallows and our chocolate sticks and we need to make them into like roasted marshmallows. Like the real ones, but mini. So what we need to do is we need to get our marshmallows. And our chocolate sticks. And then we need to get about maybe 1 marshmallow. 2 marshmallows actually. And then what we need to do is we need to get our chocolate sticks and cut them in half like we did with our chocolate sticks. And cut them at the bottom so you get the wooden stick. One. You want another marshmallow? We need about 3 each. 3 each. Then we should cut them in half so it looks like this, and you get the wooden stick bit. So we only need the wooden bit, Thomas. And put the chocolate bit just to the side. So you need to do 3. So you're getting the wooden bits only, Thomas. Now what we need to do is we need to get our marshmallow. Whoopsie! We need to put it on here, the chocolate bit on 2 of them. So this is how it should look, but this, remember, it's just for fun. Now the fun part is to eat them. Don't tell Mama we are eating chocolate biscuit. Delicious. Make sure you try this at home. Hope you enjoyed watching us do this fun activity with making an edible campfire. Remember to subscribe to Big Man in the Woods.